Tech stocks plummeted Monday as investors raised concerns about advancements in Chinese artificial intelligence. Last week, the Chinese company DeepSeek released R1. It's an AI model similar to ChatGPT that costs significantly less to develop. Monday morning, it became Apple's most downloaded free app in the U.S., but soon after was hit with a cyber attack that forced it to limit new user registrations. Here's how markets closed amid the news. The NASDAQ, which tracks tech firms, plummeted more than 600 points. The S&P 500 fell nearly 90 points. The Dow Jones actually rose. It was up nearly 300 points. CBS News contributor JD Durkin joins us now. JD, how does DeepSeek differ from other AI models, and why do American investors see it as a threat?
Yeah, Lindsay, what a day here for the markets. I mean, on the surface, what we've seen out of DeepSeek here, and for those of us who have been following the story over the course of the weekend, not a big surprise we had this big historic selling today. But on the surface, DeepSeek is cheaper and it's a more powerful challenger. And the biggest part of all this, it comes from our chief rival in the geopolitical arena, that, of course, being China. A lot of analysts are saying right now there is this kind of artificial intelligence Cold War with China, but all this is contingent if you believe what the company says. And a lot of analysts on Wall Street say, the company can say it only spent $6 million to develop its smaller scale AI, but a lot of that is actually being thrown into question by Wall Street. And it's tough to tell what is fact and how to separate that from fiction. So while there's certainly concerns of an overall paradigm shift, you can't forget that DeepSeek's models are very much constrained by the restrictions on free speech out of China. So for instance, I, along with a lot of other people, to your point, downloaded DeepSeek this weekend. You cannot engage with it about China geopolitics. You cannot ask it, for instance, about things involving Tiananmen Square or about Xi Jinping. It kind of gives you a kind of AI version of an error message in response. But I think ultimately, to your second question, investors see this as a threat because NVIDIA and Microsoft, they're spending tens of billions of dollars on artificial intelligence and the data centers necessary to power it. Both of those companies, about 6 to 7% of the entire S&P 500. Lindsay, when NVIDIA goes down, the broader market tends to go down. And that certainly explains all of the red we had on Wall Street today.
Well, the president just spoke about DeepSeek, saying it should be a wake-up call for the U.S., but he also said it could be a good thing.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, I think his argument here as well, if China was able to do it for much cheaper, if you take them again at face value, then maybe U.S. companies can be forced to kind of move ahead as well. Necessity there being the mother of all invention. That's the phrase I heard over and over again from Wall Street on analysts today, because you have these export controls, right? A company like DeepSeek, in theory, should not be able to leverage the power of NVIDIA's extremely powerful GPUs the way they have. But obviously, they were somehow able, again, if you believe them, to kind of circumvent those rules. Kind of unfortunate timing for the White House. Last week, we had this huge Project Stargate announcement, which includes companies like Oracle, SoftBank, and OpenAI, $500 billion in AI infrastructure investment. But it's all part of this kind of geopolitical jockeying right now. The Stargate announcement, the tough tariff talk between Beijing and Washington, and then, of course, the TikTok uncertainty. Throw all that into the mix, and it starts to kind of convey a bit of a picture about the current relationship between China and the Trump administration.
JD Durkin, thank you.
Thanks.